Good morning, class. Today we are starting chapter 2 of science. The name of the chapter is plants, structure and function. Okay, structure means parts of plants and function means what work they do. Okay, so we are going to study about different plants parts and what are the work they do to keep the plant alive. Okay, let's quickly recap our learning from previous classes. In this diagram you can see a brinjal plant. Yes, so you have to label the different parts of these plants. So this you have already done in your previous classes, labeling different parts of plants. So quickly stop the video here and try to label what the parts of the plants are. Okay, so it'll look something like this. We have fruit, which is the brinjal. We have flowers, right? We have leaves, we have stem, and we have roots. Okay, so these are the different parts of a plant, right? I'm sure you all got them correct. Let's jump into today's first objective, which is we'll be able to identify different parts of seed and their function. So we are going to see one by one different parts of a plant. So first we are beginning with a seed. Okay, we're going to identify different parts of a seed and their function. But before that, the first question I want to ask you कि where does a plant come from? Plant आता कहाँ से है? The answer is pretty simple. A plant is born out of seeds. बीज से plants form होते हैं, right? This is similar in the way how birds are born out of eggs. जैसे चिड़िया एग से निकलते हैं, ठीक है, उसी तरह प्लांट्स आर बोर्न आउट ऑफ सीड्स. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स क्विकली वॉच अ वीडियो टू सी हाउ अ प्लांट इज बोर्न आउट ऑफ अ सीड. कैसे सीड से प्लांट उग के आता है वो हम एक वीडियो में देखेंगे. नाउ रिमेंबर दिस वीडियो इज इन फास्ट फॉरवर्ड मोड. ठीक है, इन रियलिटी प्लांट्स ग्रो वेरी स्लोली विच इज़ वाई यू कैनॉट सी देयर ग्रोथ. ठीक है, प्लांट्स काफ़ी स्लोली ग्रो करते हैं, इसलिए आप आँखों से देख नहीं सकते कितना स्लोली जा रहा है. बट इफ़ यू सी ओवर 2-3 days यू कैन सी द प्लांट हैज़ ग्रोन. ओके, दिस इज़ व्हाट द वीडियो विल शो यू. Now the question arises, how do you define a seed? ठीक है, seed का definition क्या है? Seed is a small round or oval object produced by a plant from which a new plant is born. इसका मतलब क्या है? Seed एक छोटा गोल मटोल जैसा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है जो प्लांट बनाता है, ठीक है, जिससे एक दूसरा प्लांट जन्म लेता है. ठीक है, and as you can see in this diagram, so this is, we have a seed over here, and with time the seed is growing into a plant. right? The second part you have to remember about a seed is that a seed has two main parts. Seed के दो main हिस्से होते हैं, ठीक है? The first part is called as plumule. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Plumule. And the second part is called as a radicle. ठीक है? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Radicle. Now let's understand what are plumule and radicle. So as you can see in the diagram here, this part of a seed is called as plumule and this part of a seed is called as a radicle. Okay, let's understand their definition. Plumule is the part of the seed that grows above ground and forms stem and leaves. Okay, and radicle is the part of the seed that grows below ground, okay, and forms roots. Okay, in the video also you watched how the plant grows, right? So at first the roots grow downwards, ठीक है, seed से roots निकल के आते हैं, so that is nothing but the radicle. Okay, first you see the radicle grow and it forms the roots of the plant, right? The other part which grows into a stem is called the plumule, और जो हिस्सा ग्राउंड के ऊपर चला जाता है जिससे स्टेम और दूसरे लीव्स बनते हैं, that part is called as plumule. Understood? Okay, with this we have covered the portion on seeds. Okay, let's jump into the next part of the plant which is the roots. ठीक है, roots के बारे में अभी देखते हैं. So here is your second objective for the day. You have to identify different type of roots and their function. Roots के different types हम identify करेंगे, ठीक है, and उनके क्या क्या functions होते हैं वो हम जानेंगे. Okay, so what are roots? Roots है क्या? We have already studied about roots and their functions in grade 6 also, right? So what are roots? Roots are the part of the plants which remain underground. Roots plant का वो हिस्सा होता है जो underground रहता है, ठीक है? As you can see over here, the part which remains underground is called as roots. And what are the function of roots? Roots क्या काम करता है? They collect water and minerals from the soil. वो मिट्टी से मिनरल्स और पानी इकट्ठा करता है प्लांट के लिए, ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स लर्न द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रूट्स. डिफरेंट टाइप्स या वेराइटी ऑफ रूट्स. रूट्स के क्या क्या वेराइटी होते हैं. ओके, देयर आर मेनली टू टाइप्स ऑफ रूट्स. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज कॉल्ड एज अ टैप रूट, ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं? टैप रूट. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज कॉल्ड एज फाइब्रस रूट्स. ओके, सो लेट्स क्विकली सी. वी हैव टू डिफरेंट प्लांट्स ओवर हियर, ठीक है. वन ऑफ हियर इज flowering plant and other is a grass, and as you can see the roots are also different looking. Roots अलग अलग दिख रहे हैं थोड़े, right? So the roots which you find on the flower on your left hand side are called as tap roots, okay, and the other roots which you find on the right hand side are called as fibrous roots. ठीक है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? टैप रूट्स, और राइट हैंड साइड वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? fibrous roots. Okay, now one by one we are going to see what are tap root and what are fibrous roots. Okay, so first let's understand what are tap roots. Tap roots क्या होते हैं ये हम समझते हैं. The first point is a tap root has a large central and dominant primary root from which other secondary roots grow laterally. इसका मतलब क्या है? As you can see the diagram over here, इधर पे आपको diagram दिख रहे हैं. Yes, so if you see over here, a tap root has a large central and dominant primary root. So इसका मतलब ये है कि टैप रूट्स में एक मेन रूट होता है जो कि मोटा होता है और डोमिनेंट होता है, ठीक है. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्राइमरी रूट. वो बिल्कुल सीधा जाता है ग्राउंड के अंदर. ओके, एंड फ्रॉम दैट रूट यू नो डिफरेंट रूट्स इमर्ज. ठीक है, उस मेन रूट से, मेन प्राइमरी रूट से साइड में और भी रूट्स निकल के आते हैं, एंड दोज रूट्स आर कॉल्ड एज सेकेंडरी रूट्स. ठीक है, नाउ बोथ प्राइमरी रूट्स एंड सेकेंडरी रूट्स ये मिलके क्या बनते हैं? टैप रूट. ओके, नाउ टैप रूट्स आर लॉन्ग, ओके, एंड गोज डीप इनटू द ग्राउंड टू फाइंड वाटर एंड मिनरल्स. रूट्स काफ़ी लंबे होते हैं और ग्राउंड के अंदर जाते हैं मिनरल्स और पानी फाइंड करने के लिए, राइट. एंड द थर्ड पॉइंट हियर इज इट ग्रोज इन एरियाज वेयर ग्राउंड वाटर इज नॉट ईजिली अवेलेबल. इसका मतलब क्या है कि टैप रूट्स उन जगह पे पाया जाता है जहाँ पे ग्राउंड में पानी इतना नहीं रहता. ओके, देयर इज लेस रेनफॉल, देयर इज नॉट अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर. ओके, देयरफॉर टैप रूट्स आर मच लॉन्गर, सो वो ग्राउंड के नीचे जाके पानी खींच सकता है. right? And few examples of tap roots are carrot and pine tree. ठीक है, आपको जो खाते हो गाजर मूली एक्सेट्रा जो आपको मिलता है, ठीक है, those are examples of taproot. Also another example is a pine tree. Let's move on to the next type of root, and which is the fibrous root. So what's the difference between fibrous root and taproot? The main difference is the fibrous roots consist of several thread-like roots. इसका मतलब क्या है? As you can look in the diagram, उनके roots काफ़ी पतले और धागे की तरह होते हैं, ठीक है? There is no primary and secondary root. All the roots are of equal size and they are very thin and thread-like. ठीक है? The second point of fibrous root is a fibrous root are short and do not go deep into the soil. And fibrous roots जो होते हैं वो ज़मीन के पास ही रहते हैं, ठीक है? They do not go much deep into the ground. वो underground में इतना नहीं जाते हैं, okay? Which is also the reason they grow in regions where water is available near the ground surface. ठीक है? Because they have short roots, ठीक है, so they are only found in regions where there is availability of water, जहाँ पे पानी easily मिल जाता है, that is through rainfall or near a lake or near the ocean, okay? And few example of fibrous roots are grass and coconut tree. Now I have a quick exercise for you. You have been given 4 different types of roots and you have to identify what are the types of roots, okay? Either they are taproot or fibrous roots, so you have to write it down. So pause the video, okay, take 2 minutes and write down what is the type of roots. Okay, your answer should look something like this. The first is taproot, second is fibrous, third is fibrous, and the last one is taproot. Okay, here is your individual work time. The first one is a fill in the blanks. The second is you have true and false. If false, write the correct answer. अगर false है तभी correct answer लिखो, नहीं तो just write true. Okay. The third is there are 2 questions. I'll just explain these 2 questions. Question number 3 says that if there is a drought means सूखा, ठीक है, जब सूखा पड़ जाता है, which plant type will survive? Taproot survive करेगा कि fibrous root survive करेगा, and you have to give your reason, okay? The second question is what are the 2 main parts of seed के 2 main part कौन से होते हैं आपको explain करना है, okay? The answer for this you will find in the answer key in the description of the video, okay? With this we have finished today's lesson. Thank you.